Hey guys, I want to take a minute to show this Frigidaire side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator. It is in excellent condition, and when I open the doors up here, I'm going to show you that it is at temperature like it's supposed to be. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So you can see the door is reading about 79 degrees. So we're going to open this up on the freezer side. So it's about -10. Basically almost -10 there. Kind of changes a little bit as you go up and down here. You can also see there's plenty of ice in there. I've had that plugged in for about 12 hours, had the ice maker going. And then on the fridge side, that's set to about 40. See as we go across here, perfect temperature. So the freezer is set full blast to 9, fridge is set to 7. So you could actually kick that fridge up a little more if you wanted to, but somewhere around 38 and 40 is about perfect for a fridge. This is where the water filter goes, so you push this and the water filter comes out and clicks back in place. If you wanted to pause and read any of that information, there you go. Also have a picture of that if I can include it. All the drawers and everything work good. So what I want to also show you real quick is that we'll put it on cubed. Ice works perfect. We can switch it over to crushed. Works perfect. And then of course the light down here works as well. And we just hit that for water. Super important to know that all of this works perfect before you obviously spend your money on it. That's why I do these videos, so that you know everything works perfectly. Now you know it freezes and cools like it's supposed to. Your ice maker, cubed, crushed, the light, the water dispenser, everything on it works perfect. So we'll get it cleaned up and list it up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks, have a great day.